Here we go. The first suffering deer after the snowstorm. Look at its incredible suffering. It's heading towards my beautiful path. I caught it in the act. The first deer. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Let me get a closer view from the downstairs sliding glass doors.
There it is. It's funny, it's eyeing me nervously. Oh, it's blowing crap out its ass. Oh, look at that. Let's see if we can catch it in the act. Yeah, let's get a good shot of that. Some major deer blow out butt. Interesting. Nothing's coming out. It's in poop position, but I don't see anything. Well, this is certainly a catching nature in the act, wouldn't you say? Oh, it gave up. Maybe it was peeing and I just couldn't catch it on the camera. I'll do a close inspection later.
It is a ridiculously cold morning. I am freezing my butt off out here. It's 20 degrees. It's a beautiful blue sky. Look at this hand shovel driveway. I just want to show you an amazing example of hand shoveling at its finest. Look at this. God, it looks like the dead of winter, doesn't it? Woo, I'm freezing. No, but I wish I could take credit for this beautiful shoveling job, but my contribution was sizable, but I did not do the majority of this. Most of it was done by others. It was a group effort. Wow, look at that blue sky. What a frigid and frozen morning. Oh God, I better get back in the house. I am cold.